So right now I'm in the process of making a video. This is with the same Maxicom. I'm going to be programming this key, the TLX key, and the Acura TL, and customer's Acura TL. He wanted an extra key because he has the stock one. This is the valet key. So basically this is what it's showing now on the new screen for the Acura TL. So I went to Acura, I went to Mobilizer, then I went to Acura, and look at all these new settings before. Because if you guys see my videos from before, you guys noticed that it didn't have all this. It just had the system check and number of keys and the add or delete keys. That's all it had. That's all it had before. Now you can replace the mobilizer control unit, reprogram that, replace the ECPU, that's the computer. You can replace that. The modulator, you can replace all of this stuff. And you can do master keys. So you can delete all the keys now and make a master key for this car. So right now, I have the ignition on to the second position. Okay, it says the function necessary registering keys are deleting. Okay. See, now it does all keys lost. So you can hit all keys lost and it'll delete all the memory for all the keys that the car has already. And then delete or add multiple keys. They added these two because remember before they just had add one key. So now after the updates, they added two more options where you can do lost keys. I did all lost keys for 2007 or 2008 Honda Civic, and it had all keys lost. He just got the key cut, and I was able to program it with no other keys to program with it. So right now, I'm going to click on add one key. So this one allows you, this car allows you, the Acura TL allows you to program up to 6 keys. So that's what it's just letting you know. So now it's establishing a connection with the vehicle. So I'm going to turn the ignition switch off. Turn the ignition switch on. Second. Please wait. Okay. Turn the ignition switch off within 15 seconds. Turn the ignition switch on with the new key. So I took out the old one. This is the new key that's not programmed, the flip key. So I'm going to put this in ignition and turn it to the second position. Turn the ignition switch off within 15 seconds. Okay, turn the ignition switch on within 14 seconds without changing the key. Turn the ignition switch off. 1, 2. Turn the ignition switch on. 1, 2. Okay, is the mobilizer light turned out? Yes, there's no mobilizer light on the dash. It would be a blinking key. It's turned off, yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna program the fob now. So now you just put the key in the ignition, you turn it on, you hit the lock button, turn it off, turn it back on, hit the lock button, turn it off, turn it back on, hit the lock button, turn it off, turn it back on, hit the lock button, and the locks will cycle. Okay, so now it works. The unlock and lock works in the car, and the new key starts the car also. That's it. That's how easy it is. It takes less than 5 minutes. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.